this is what came out of this little natty little pipe here. See? Use the vacuum and this came out. I put some rocks in it, and it's making it sturdy and does not tip over. When I vacuumed the car yesterday, I would pull it, and it kept falling over on me. Of course, it'd probably help if I might have had a concrete driveway. Alright, so here is the shop vac. It has a very long handle to it. Well worth it. It does have extra attachments. It does have a bag inside. Also, the suction is absolutely amazing. Here, I'll plug it in so you guys can see. That's pretty awesome. And it does have both sides to where you can suck in or blow out.